Hi, this is David Anthony here from Magic Webs, SEOMagicWebs.com. Over the next minute, what we're going to do is cover off how to create an XML sitemap. Some people call these Google sitemaps, but they're actually XML. And you can plug these behind your website, and the beauty is then you can directly connect these to Google through the Webmaster Tools. So, first of all, here's a little tip. Go into this site here, and this is an XML site generator. Now, they have a free generator, which you can basically generate an XML file, which we're going to do in a second, or you can basically purchase their system. And it's pretty good, whereby it sits on your website and automatically regenerates your XML sitemap on a regular basis. I do recommend it. We've used it for a number of our sites. So what I'm going to do is plug ours in here. So I'll give you a quick demonstration and put that in here, put this in here, and change the frequency. Don't go and put hourly if it's not hourly. Weekly, our blog changes weekly. Priority, I don't usually do much with that. And use the dates, and that will actually date stamp. So make sure you put the little tick in there or date stamp it. Click on the start button, and that's it. It is now going in the background, and as you can see down here, it's just sitting away, churning to actually create the sitemap. Now I've actually got one up and running over here, so I'll just close that down. And you can see that's running. It's going through link depth 3. It's currently going through and added 84 pages, got 11 pages, and it's taken 3 minutes so far. So it's a fairly quick process. But while that's running, let's have a quick look at what XML actually is. Here is the sitemap as it's loaded on our physical site. Now, you might notice there's hyphens in this domain. We actually use with and without hyphens. Our main domain is with. For SEO purposes, of course. So down here is actually a sitemap right off the root of the web. You can put it anywhere you like on your site, but you have to actually tell your search engines where it actually exists. So call it sitemap.xml, makes sense. If we look at that, this is what it looks like in pretty browser version view. If we actually look at the code, you can actually see, and I'll just shrink this down here a little, you can actually see what it looks like as in raw XML. And just to very briefly look at that, you can see there's a URL. This is a markup tag, and there's the actual last modification date and the change frequency. And there's the outside text. Very, very simple, and that is what XML is. Nothing really complex. Close that down, see if we're actually done. Wow, it's all done. Sitemap is generated, and then there's a whole bunch of links. So if you want to pick up the pure text version, it's all sitting in here. You can see there's the code as we just talked about. All you need to do now is take that code, Control A, Control C, and basically copy it into a text editor or Dreamweaver, create a brand new file, name it sitemap.xml, just as we've done over here. Yep. And upload it to your server. You'll need to use an XML program. So you'll need to use an XML program to actually get it up there. So there's our sitemap. So use a FTP program to get it up there. I got a bit confused there. Okay, guys, well, thank you very much. That's all about XML sitemaps and basically using this tool here. Give them a bit of donation. They do a great job. And hope to see you again very soon.